Today I'm making keto bread with almond flour, flaxseed meal, baking soda, and 1 egg. Crack the egg into a container and then add 1.5 tablespoons of almond flour and 1.5 tablespoons of flaxseed meal and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir that all together, getting all the lumps out. Can be kind of lumpy. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and a little bit of Himalayan salt. Put it in the microwave for 90 seconds. And it comes out looking really fluffy. Just scoop it out onto a plate and cut it in half. I'm gonna eat mine with a fried egg. Put some ghee on low heat. Cook the egg. Gently flip it over and put it on your plate with your bread and some avocado. You have a wonderful keto breakfast or snack.